Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have access and files ready. Now open the course and click the assignment link. Once there, scan the instructions and attached rubric so you know exactly what to deliver. Click Add Submission to see the submission form. Make sure the correct submission type is selected, file upload or online text, because that determines your next steps. If group submission is required, check the group name at the top. Save this state before uploading to avoid losing work. Once you know the right submission type, upload your file using drag and drop or the Choose File button. Confirm the file name and file size match the limits. If you use the online text editor, paste content, fix formatting, and add headings for readability. Include references if required. After adding files or text, use Preview to verify layout and save draft to keep a recoverable copy. Make sure attached files open correctly. Once satisfied, proceed to Submit Assignment. Finalize your work by clicking Submit Assignment and confirming the timestamp. You should see a confirmation message and submission status. Once submitted, check the Feedback and Grades area so you can spot required revisions. Download a copy of your submitted files for your records. If something goes wrong, upload error, wrong file, or file too large, try compressing to a ZIP, reduce resolution, or re-upload within the deadline. If problems persist, contact your instructor immediately with a screenshot and timestamp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.